Every giant was once a baby, though that early stage of development often goes unseen. In the same way, universe and its massive galaxies, which are today recognized as enormous structures, were formerly just cosmic newborns. However, up until now, it has been difficult to see these young galaxies. What if the most reliable scientific models of the universe's formation were undermined by secrets that were lying in plain sight? The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, NASA's most advanced space telescope, is bringing us back to times long beyond our previous know and revealing the universe's early history. I am Bob, and you are watching Space Theory. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. In June 2022, everything changed in an instant. The universe began to unveil mysteries hidden in the mists of time when the JWST took its first deep-field picture. Astronomers and scientists throughout the globe were astounded by what transpired next. It was as though the universe itself chose to remove its shroud, revealing galaxies that had been concealed for millennia. Emerging from what we thought to be the dark ages of the universe, these galaxies started to cast doubt on some of the most widely accepted scientific theories regarding the history of the universe. Hundreds of galaxies started to appear from the JWST's photos, presenting a picture that was far more intricate and enigmatic than anything we had previously imagined. And the surprises didn't stop at a handful. Astronomer Stephen Finkelstein and his team in Austin made one of the most fascinating discoveries. They saw what appeared to be one of the oldest galaxies in the universe, a weak but definite one. He gave this galaxy the heartfelt nickname Maisie's Galaxy in honor of his daughter, who had made the discovery on her birthday. This private naming served as a reminder that, despite the universe's size and age, our drive to comprehend it is fundamentally human and full of exciting new discoveries and close relationships. At first, Maisie's Galaxy was thought to have created 290 million years after the Big Bang, which is incredibly close to when the Big Bang occurred, according to Finkelstein's research. Considering the age of the universe, which is roughly 13.8 billion years, discovering a galaxy so close to its birth was nothing short of astounding. However, after gathering more information and using sophisticated analytical techniques, the researchers discovered that the galaxy was significantly older than they had first believed. In actuality, it had formed some 390 million years after the Big Bang, making it the oldest known galaxy. The irony is that it might not hang on to this title for very long. Approximately 10 more galaxies that may be older than Maisie's Galaxy are presently being studied. Commenting on these results, Fabio Pacucci of the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics stated, "We're seeing a rise of massive galaxies faster than we previously thought. This explosion of early, big galaxies is changing our picture of the early evolution of the cosmos. Given that some of these galaxies are only tens of millions of years old, their discovery may have profound effects on the massive dark matter formations known as halos, which are thought to have influenced the early design of the universe." There is yet more to the mystery. Scientists at Australia's Swinburne University of Technology have discovered a type of galaxies that defies all predictions. It was discovered that, only 750 million years after the Big Bang, these galaxies contain billions of solar masses, equal to the Milky Way. To put things in perspective, it was once believed that galaxies of this size would take billions of years to form. Nevertheless, here they are, crammed into formations that are 30 times smaller than the Milky Way, raising concerns about the basic principles of cosmic evolution. They are not only enormous, but they also house a significantly higher number of stars than we could have imagined back in that distant past. It's similar to discovering a skyscraper in an area of the desert where you had assumed there could only be little huts. The scientific community is bubbling with excitement about these discoveries. Michio Kaku, the scientist, put it succinctly when he remarked, "The James Webb Space Telescope is upsetting the apple cart. All of the textbooks about the universe's beginnings could need to be revised." He is not overstating the case. 6 galaxies that the telescope has discovered are up to 10 times larger than the Milky Way and were discovered only 500 million years after the Big Bang. This is inconceivable based on accepted cosmological models. For many years, researchers have argued that galaxies like the Milky Way, which contain 100 billion stars, form over billions of years. However, JWST is revealing to us ancient galaxies that are larger than our own, having existed when the universe was only 500 million years old. Obviously, something is wrong. It's possible that our comprehension of the universe's evolution is incomplete. As if the JWST's discoveries couldn't get any more startling, it now appears that Milky Way-like galaxies have also been found at the furthest reaches of the cosmos. These galaxies shouldn't exist based on the principles of physics as we presently understand them. Numerous of these early galaxies were abundant in gas that was burning, so bright that the stars that were developing inside of them could not be outshone. Now observations show that these extreme emission features, which we had assumed to be uncommon in the early universe, were present in almost 90% of the galaxies. It appears that everything we know about how galaxies develop is being challenged. An extremely distant spiral galaxy that resembled our own Milky Way was discovered by astronomers while studying these early galaxies. This spiral galaxy, known by the name Suarez 2112, was there when the universe was only 2 billion years old. Furthermore, it contained a bar of gas and stars across its center, which defied our assumption that such a structure could only form in more mature, older galaxies. Previously, astronomers thought that these barred spirals could only form halfway through the evolution of the universe, which is far later than the epoch in which Suarez 2112 was seen. What does this mean, then? The redshift of Suarez 2112 was found to be 3, indicating that it took over 12 billion years for its light to reach Earth. The traditional model of cosmology predicts that the conditions in the early cosmos would have prohibited the production of such structures, and this discovery defies that theory. Furthermore, galaxies such as Suarez 2112 are difficult for present cosmological simulations to replicate at these early epochs. It is obvious that we are missing a piece of the puzzle, and the scientific community is currently searching for the possible missing component. Wait, it gets even more bizarre. For many years, scientists have proposed that dark matter, an enigmatic, unseen substance that is inert to light, makes up 85% of the matter in the cosmos. It is believed to have been essential to the evolution of galaxies from as early as 380,000 years after the Big Bang. The results of Suarez 2112, however, present a different image. Rather than dark matter, baryonic matter, the ordinary matter that makes up everything we can see and touch, has dominated our galaxy's evolution. This groundbreaking discovery raises the possibility that dark matter may not have had as large a role in the early formation of the universe as previously thought. What does this mean for us now? We are on the cusp of a profound shift in our perception of the universe. We never imagined that the JWST would solve puzzles and disclose secrets about the universe. The swift creation of huge galaxies, the presence of barred spirals in the early universe, and the role played by dark matter all point to the need for a major revision of current cosmic models. Being able to observe a revolution in cosmology as we test established hypotheses and go into the unknown is an immensely thrilling time to be alive. The universe's mysteries are no longer hidden from us. They are at our fingertips. Furthermore, who knows what other secrets the James Webb Space Telescope may hold? What are your thoughts on these revolutionary discoveries, then? This is your space, so feel free to express your opinions in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Space Theory for more investigations into our universe.